Welcome to Posh Rose Candle & Co. This is an adult candle line. This is grown folks business, okay? Hey everyone, welcome back to She Can Lifestyle and DIY with me, Rosie. This is a super special video for me, and it's special because I'll be talking about my new candle line. Some of you may have seen me posting on social media. I've been gone for a while. COVID kind of got the better of me for a little bit, but it's okay. I'm back and I'm better than ever with my babies. These are my babies. I've been working on this for probably the past 6 months, since about February actually, but I really started to kick it off like in May or so. And I'm really excited to show you guys what I made, and I hope that you will support this candle journey. I have really big dreams, goals for this business, and I can't do it without you. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the candles and the names. I'm going to try to make this video as short as possible because my battery is dying. Yes. Welcome to Posh Rose Candle & Co. This is an adult candle line. It is adult themed. We will have additional names, additional themes, but we're starting off with an adult theme because we're all grown. This is grown folks business, okay? So my first candle that I made is called Yes Daddy. This is a Yes Daddy candle. It is a sea salt, plum, and a musky scent. It's more of like a clean scent, more of a more uniform, unisex scent. I know it's called Yes Daddy, but why not? That's one. And this also comes as a wax melt, a 2.5 ounce wax melt. They all come as wax melts. Second, we have a Let Me Out. Now, if you're on the dirty side of Twitter, you know about Let Me Out. All right. This is a grapefruit citrus scented candle. It smells so good. It's one of my favorites. Like, it smells so good. The last candle we have is Pillow Talk. This is my lavender scented candle, and it's more of a subtle scent. I really like, if you're just looking for something like, you know, while you're taking a bath, or, you know, just something to relax after a long day, if you're taking a hot bath or something, this is a scent for you. And it's actually been doing fairly well. I'm pleasantly surprised. So these are the 3 scents that I am starting out with, and this collection is called the Bedroom Collection. Remember I said this is an adult themed candle line, so we'll sprinkle a little, see, I sprinkled Pillow Talk in there for those of you who aren't too dirty in the bedroom. This is for you. So we have 3 scents here. They also come in wax melts, 2.5 ounce wax melts of each scent. And then of course we have my tea light candles. They all have their own tea light candles. These are for if you want to order like a sample. If you're not sure about a scent, I will send you some samples. You just pay for shipping. And they each smell amazing. I think they're all my favorites, but I definitely think Yes Daddy and Let Me Out are like, those are really my favorites. I just wanted to introduce you all to my babies and let you guys know that they are available for purchase. Yes. So I hope that you will support me. Like I said, I am very excited about this new venture. I'm starting out on Etsy, and then they will be available on Amazon Handmade, and I'm hoping to open an Amazon store in the future. That is the end goal, to have an amazing candle line that people love and support, and get people excited in the bedroom, because, you know, things happen in marriage and love and relationships. And I hope that these little candles can spark a little conversation, spark a little naughtiness, and that they bring joy to someone's life. I will be doing an extended video about why I started the candle line, what my motives were, things that I, you know, researched, and things that I experienced, and things that I've seen in relationships, my own relationships and other relationships. So be on the lookout for that, and I will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will put the Etsy link below. You can check out my Etsy store. So I look forward to your comments and feedback on my new venture. I hope that you guys enjoy these scents as much as I do. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.